The Rhodes Scholarship is an international postgraduate award for students to study at the University of Oxford. It was established in 1902 and soon became the most famous of numerous international scholarship programs. The founder, diamond magnate Cecil John Rhodes, wanted to promote unity between English-speaking nations and instill a sense of civic-minded leadership and moral fortitude in future leaders irrespective of their chosen career paths. Although initially restricted to male applicants from countries that are today within the British Commonwealth, as well as Germany and the United States, today the scholarship is open to applicants from all backgrounds and from across the globe. Since its creation, controversy has surrounded its former exclusion of women. Many Rhodes recipients have achieved fame as politicians, academics, scientists, authors, and entrepreneurs. Notable American political recipients include President of the United States Bill Clinton, the United States Ambassador to the United Nations Susan Rice, Governor of Louisiana Bobby Jindal, United States Senator from Louisiana John Neely Kennedy, Congresswoman Heather Wilson, and United States Secretary of Health and Human Services Sylvia Matthews Burwell. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.